Hello, welcome back with another video. Today I'm gonna be painting a nightscape and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about it. So last night I decided to make a new brush set for me, but also I'm gonna put it below the video in the description for whoever wants to download. Well, I practically really love nighttime. That's my favorite time of the day. Obviously it's the night. So how you can see, the background I had it already done because I made a short video for YouTube. So now I just adding a tree. I was using that one of the ink. I made the body of the tree and then the branch. Sometimes I have like a hard time drawing a tree because I don't have a lot of practice making a tree. I know that gotta be the most easy drawings, but I'm being honest, I don't make a really good tree, so I'm doing my best. So why I love painting nighttime, I'm gonna tell you why. I love painting nighttime because you can see really beautiful stars, the moon and shooting star. It's like every time that I'm gonna paint this, I go outside of the house and I started looking at the sky and getting really inspired, and I just feel peace. I feel peace drawing nighttime because it's the most relaxing time of the day, and for me it's kind of like magical because I can imagine a bunch of things. I can imagine the moon or maybe like a big whale flying over the clouds and all that stuff. It's just my brain keep picturing a lot of stuff. So now in that video I'm starting to paint a bunch of leaf. I had it on my first like make it black, but then after that I said I will turn it into white because I want this leaf to simulate they are stars. So just imagine a tree, and then the tree has a bunch of stars, and then the stars are falling away and then start flying all the way up to the sky. Could you imagine seeing something like this in real life? What would you feel? Me, I would be like, damn, that's so relaxing, that looks so beautiful. And if I see something like this, I just gonna be like, wow. So how you can see, I already painted the leaf white, and now I just bluing it out. And also I'm doing this in another different layer with the blend mode. I'm using the option add. That thing is gonna do is the leaf gonna look like they're really glowing. It's like they have like a strong light. So how you can see in the video is really looking beautiful. It's really looking magical. I don't know. Tell me for now if you like it. So going back to what I was saying, I don't really like paint like this, even more if I'm listening to relaxing music, or maybe one of my favorite band of music like Coldplay, or maybe a DJ like Alan Walker. So when I listen to music, it's like a trigger for my brain, and I start imagining a bunch of stuff. You know, painting is just like the perfect medicine for your soul. You're just gonna feel relaxed and relieve your stress. Feels like you are in your own world. I always do my videos at the night because there's nobody making noise and the most peaceful time of the day. Sometimes I just go really late to sleep because sometimes I just drawing or finishing my video or starting a new drawing or artwork. It's more relaxing because in my bedroom I have lights hanging on the wall and relaxing music or my favorite music while those lights are on. That's like the perfect moment to start drawing. Could you tell me in the comment below what do you like to do when you're drawing? How you like to feel? Like, are you in your bedroom with the lights on or listening to music or what? Just tell me below in the comments. Hey guys, I didn't realize that I was almost at the end of the video. So maybe for the next time I keep telling you what I like. So don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, thumbs up, and share this video with everybody. So I'll see you in my next video every Friday. So good night.